Alright, y'all, in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all step by step how to go ahead and promote Clickbank products on Google Ads in 2021. But before we get into this video, I want to do a giveaway of my 5-course bundle deal. Yes, you can get access to all of my courses for free. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and leave a comment down below with your Instagram name so I can give you access to it inside of my next video. So now we got that out the way, let's get straight into it. So as you can see, inside my Google Docs file, I got 5 steps broken down. Step 1 is find an affiliate offer. I like to find affiliate offers with a gravity of 50 and above. For those of you that don't know what gravity means, gravity is basically a number that shows on the product page, where it's basically the number of affiliates who recently made a sale promoting that product. So when I show y'all the product that we're going to be using throughout the rest of this video, you'll get to see the gravity and stuff. And a clean sales page is definitely checklist number 2. The offer I'm promoting has to be enticing enough for me to want to purchase it, especially if I was already interested in it. My rule of thumb is if I wouldn't buy from it, why would I expect somebody else to? Then the affiliate tools section is basically what does the offer come with. So for example, if you're promoting a weight loss offer or something like that, I like to promote offers that comes with a different range of affiliate tools like keywords, banners, email swipes, and things like that. The more the better. The way I see it is, if your offer was converting that good, you'll basically give all your beginner affiliates, your advanced affiliates, or whoever promoting it, you'll give them everything they need to succeed. And then you got some, I mean, there's some offers on Clickbank that, have little to no affiliate tools, but it converts like crazy. But my rule of thumb, especially as a beginner, pick an offer that has at least all of these 3 different things. Now, of course, I could have just threw in like, okay, make sure the offer has rebuilds and stuff so you can make more commissions on the back end, things like that. But just these main 3, you'll be good to go. Step number 2 would be creating a sales funnel. Sales funnel is basically the point of contact from the moment they see your ad and to the point they become a customer. So that's the ads, the landing page, the capture page, or whatever you want to call it, the email follow-ups, and then to the offer. That's basically what a sales funnel is. And 3 different funnels you can go and use. The one I'm using in this video is a quiz style landing page, simply because it get a very, very high click-through rate as opposed to the opt-in page and the simple bridge page. So I'm gonna be showing y'all the example offer, the landing page I'm gonna be using. I already got the keywords, the ads, and everything created. I'm just show y'all how to set it up over on Google Ads. And then step number 3 is keyword research. I'm gonna show y'all how to find keywords using the related searches on Google. I'm gonna show y'all how to use the keyword planner and the affiliate tools section to find keywords. Step number 4 is ad creation. I like to do reverse marketing for my ads creation. Most of my ads I do on like Bing or Google Ads is always me just ripping or modeling other successful campaigns. And then another way you can do ads creation is going to the affiliate tools. Some affiliate resource areas already have ad copies that you can go and use. So basically go and start out with. And then step 5 is, the last step is live campaign build. Show y'all how to build a search campaign, but it's 2 different ways you could do ads. You could do search ads that you see on Google, or you could do like a video ad that you see on YouTube ad. So that's pretty much the 5 steps. Step number 1 is finding an affiliate offer. We show y'all the offer that we're gonna be using for this video. If I scroll down, I could have sworn it was on the first page, but oh yeah, here it is. We're gonna be using the Tez Woodworking offer. As you can see, this product has a gravity of 236, meaning 236 affiliates recently made a sale promoting this within the last few weeks. Pays out on average $63 per sale. If we check out the sales page and the affiliate page, open in a new tab. So this is pretty much the sales page of the offer, announcing the world's largest collection, 16,000 woodworking plans, blah, blah, blah. Step by step. And then they got testimonials, type of projects they could build, more testimonials and stuff. They got a lot of information on the sales page. Basically, anybody that's interested in this will end up purchasing. And if I go check the similar web stats, let's see what they're doing. And it's a good time to actually promote this offer because it's on the uptrend. As you can see, over the last 6-7 months or whatever, this is the highest month of 514,000 visits. That means this offer is doing really, really well around this time of year. So definitely get on this train. And you can see 3% of the traffic is coming from search, display ads, direct referrals, email, and social media. So yeah, this is definitely a good offer, or a good sales page, rather. Yeah, if we go to the affiliate tools section, scroll down to the bottom. You've already signed up. Take me to the resource page. You can see they got landers, banners, PPC keywords, demographics, and Facebook swipes, review videos, articles, tips, and you can contact affiliate support for more support. So If you look at the landing pages, all these different stuff, you can just click on it and it just automatically shoot you there. PPC keywords, it'll take you straight there. So if you was doing Bing ads or Google ads, boom, there go a bunch of keywords you can go and use right away. And let me see, Gravity, that checks out. Clean sales page, affiliate tools. All right, so we can green this section. Pretty much did all the work there. Step number 2, once you have your offer, is create a sales funnel for it. So like I said, 3 different funnels you can go and use. You can do the quiz style, you can do the opt-in, or you can do the simple bridge page, or just like a one-click straight to the offer. Now, what I'm gonna be using is the quiz style landing page, which I already created for this offer. Me opening a new tab. Congratulations, get instant access to 16,000 highly detailed woodworking plans and guides for free just for taking this simple woodworking survey. How many years have you been woodworking? Less than a year. How would you rate your current woodworking skills? Beginner or what types of wood projects interest you the most? Beds and bookcases. Analyzing your results. Once they're done with that, it automatically takes them to the offer. So these type of landing pages work the best that I've seen as far as like click-through rate. Simply because it's just straight to the point. Is asking them some questions and they get sent straight to the offer without even having to do no extra work. So that's pretty much the funnel that I'm gonna be using inside this video. I'm trying to see, do I got different variations of this landing page? Let's see. So I had a different one, but I haven't edited the landing page in a while. So let's check this out. Oh, this one I was giving away free woodworking plans. This is basically like the opt-in version where I would get them something for free in exchange for their email. So in this one, I was giving them 200 woodworking plans, and then when they opt in, they get sent straight to the offer or the thank you page. I can't remember. Matter of fact, I actually want to go through it myself. So let's see. Give me my plans. Let's see. All right, I see I haven't updated the website, but it was supposed to take them to the download page. Oh, because I changed the URL. It's probably why it's not working like it's supposed to. But let's see. Woodworking levers. I wonder why. All right, my website is not working right now, but that is the landing page that we're gonna be using. Like I said, you can do the quiz style, which I recommend. You can do the opt-in plus the email follow-ups for more long-term commissions, and then you can do just a simple bridge page route where you just get them some information and then just give them one chance to click through to the offer. So we got step 2 out the way. Now it's time to do some keyword research. Related searches, you could simply just go to Google and type in one broad keyword related to the offer, and then let me show y'all related searches. So I'm gonna sound crazy. Woodworking plans for beginners. Search it, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you see searches related to woodworking plans for beginners. Boom, you got free woodworking projects, intermediate woodworking projects, easy small wood projects, popular woodworking projects. So you can just pretty much just keep opening these up, and every group of keywords you can just copy it and paste it inside of like a note file, so it's easy access. And then if you go type in easy small wood projects, go to the bottom, it's a new list of related searches you can go and use. So that's one way of finding keywords. The second way is using the keyword planner. So if I go to my Google Ads account, click on tools, go to keyword planner. Let me X out of these tabs. Keyword planner is kind of like the same thing as the related searches method. All you need to do is basically type in one broad keyword and it'll bring up a lot of related ones. So discover new keywords, woodworking plans, hit enter, then click on get results. If you scroll down, as you can see, you can sort it by average monthly searches. So from the top to bottom, I don't even know how to pronounce this. I ain't about to sound crazy. Woodworking plans get on average 12,000 monthly views. The top of page bid in the low range is 50 cents. It goes all the way up to 2,030 cents. They got all these different keywords: workshop, bench ideas, free woodworking plans, projects for beginners, loft bed plans, DIY desk plans, stuff like that. You can pretty much copy all of these different keywords and put it into a note file and then start targeting it when you set it up over on Google Ads. So if you want to do another broad search, you just come in here, delete. You could do easy DIY plans. That's related to the offer as well. Bring up a lot more keywords that you can go and target. I don't know why I keep bringing up all this chicken coop stuff, but that's the keyword research. I mean, that's the keyword planner method. And then the affiliate tools is basically, like I was saying earlier, when you're selecting your product, you would just go to the affiliate page and see what do they have to offer. So take me to the resource page. right here, PPC keywords. This is exactly what I did. You can basically copy all these different keywords, put them into your own no file, and then start targeting them with search ads. So not all offers have PPC keywords attached to them, but this one do. That's why I like recommending to promote this product, and it's high converting. So that's basically the 3 ways you can go and find keywords to go and target. Now we got that out the way. Next thing is ad creation. Ad creation, I don't get too crazy over this. I kind of just use reverse marketing or affiliate tools. Since we already got the affiliate tools pulled up, let's see if they even got some ads that we can go and use. They got landers, banners, keywords, demographics with Facebook, email swipe. They don't have like no PPC ads. So I would think that because they got the PPC keywords that they will have some ads that you can go and use as well. So maybe they don't come with it, and that's fine. Next thing I like to do, if it's not in the affiliate resource area, I just use reverse marketing. Reverse marketing is basically putting yourself in the shoes of the consumer. So what you could do is type in 16,000 woodworking plans. Boom, there we go. Let's see, which one would I use? Ted's woodworking. So you don't have to type in the actual product name itself. You can, or you can just type in searches related to the product name to get different ads. So here we go, 16,000 woodworking plans, step-by-step guides. Get over 16,000 woodworking collection, blah, blah, blah. You can copy this whole entire thing and use it for yourself. You can see my note file, already got my ads created right here. Got my landing page, got my keywords I want to target, so I'm good to go. Just wanted to show y'all real quick. 16,000 woodworking plans without fancy expensive tools. You can copy and use all of this stuff. If you don't want to use that keyword, type in another one. Woodworking plans for beginners. I really want to type that in. Or you know what? DIY woodworking plans. There's no ads showing up here. But it's showing up at the bottom of the page. So here you go. DIY woodworking plans. Ted's beginner woodworking. You can see that I can definitely tell this is an affiliate because you see grpromotions.clickfunnels.com. This is their landing page right here. You could literally just copy what they just did. And they got the simplest landing page you could think of. Literally just a headline, an image, and a button. Very, very simple. When you click another button, it goes straight to the offer. So that's one way you can even do landing page research if you wanted to create your own landing page and not use mine. Just do reverse marketing. It always works. So that's pretty much step 4 is using reverse marketing, putting yourself in the shoes of the consumer, or just going straight to the affiliate tools section of the offer that you're promoting. Once that's done, that's step number 4. Now the last step is live campaign build. In this video, we're going to be doing the search ad instead of a video ad because I do not have a video ready for this offer. So let me X out of here, and basically go to the dashboard so I can set up this campaign. Click on the plus sign, new campaign. I'm basically about to just be copying and pasting everything that I put in here. So new campaign, I'm gonna just do create a campaign without goal or guidance. Then click on search, website visits, your business website. I don't even think you gotta put nothing in there. Continue, woodworking, YouTube video. Woodworking, you know what? Oh yeah, woodworking YouTube video, I'll do that. And what I want to do is this uncheck display network and uncheck include search partners. I just wanted to show on Google Ads itself, and that's that. Countries, you could do tier 1, which is United States, Canada, United Kingdom, New Zealand, or you could just do United States, whichever one floats your boat. Then after you do that, make sure the language is English. Budget wise, it's literally up to your budget. If you can afford $10 a day, do that. If you can afford 20, when testing a campaign, I definitely recommend no more than $30 a day, so you can see what's popping. And once you got your budget, bidding, I like to maximize clicks right here. Boom. And from there, show more settings. Nope, I don't want to mess with this. And right there, you just click on save and continue to go to the next page. Ad group 1, you can just leave that as it is. Now keywords, now I want to go back to my keyword file and basically just copy and paste all of those different keywords. Now mind you, I got all these keywords from the affiliate resource area, so I didn't have to do too much research. I'm not about to go down 12 pages because it's already going too slow, so I'm just copy this and paste it in there. Next thing, click on save and continue. You can see the estimates. We're going to average about 28 clicks per day, or paying about $1 per click. And right here is basically where we import our ads. So find the URL. You want to copy your landing page link right here. Boom. Now you want to paste in those different headlines. DIY woodworking plan. I'm gonna leave all this stuff below this video because a lot of y'all always ask me, can I get the Google Doc file or whatever. I'm gonna leave it below the video this time. Make sure I don't forget. The world's largest collection. Paste that in there. I want to copy the text area. You know what? I want to copy this part too. 16,000 woodworking plans. And then for the description, I'm gonna copy this. 16,000 projects. Oops, let me see. Sentence too long, so I'm gonna copy these and break up the sentence. Okay, all right, fixed perfect. I like this. And from there, just click on done, save and continue. That's pretty much, I think that's the end of it. Let me see. Yep, now it's just the review part. As you can see, languages. I meant to just put English. I could have sworn to say English already, but location, United States, $30 a day, maximize clicks. We pretty much good to go. As you can see, the estimates, we're gonna average around 27 clicks per day with a $30 daily budget. And from there, you just click on publish. So let it load, and boom, the campaign is live. Now we just gotta wait for them to approve it. So if I go to all campaigns, as you can see right here is live and up and running. You can do the same thing by following the step-by-step video. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this. Let me green this because we just did it. Yeah, man, if you want to enter the giveaway of my 5-course bundle, which includes Google Ads, training, and other paid traffic strategies, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn on post notifications so you'll be notified when I release my next video. Leave a comment down below with your Instagram username so I can know to send you access to it inside of my next video. But that's all I got for this one, and I will see y'all in the next video.